Hello everyone. This is another video of our 10 days of junk mail envelope projects together with Starving Emma and Bonny and Clive. I will post their links below so you can see what they are creating in those 10 days. I am going to make these shaker window or envelope window shaker tags. I've made these a long time ago. This one I actually made yesterday for the purpose of this video, but unfortunately my camera got off, so I will have to make another one today. So let's go quickly into it. I already pre-painted. You can use white actually. Here I didn't paint the envelope, so it remained in the original white color. So I have pre-painted here this, and I still have these ones. They are still as envelopes, as you can see. So I think I will go for these now to start with, to show you how I'm doing those shaker card or shaker tags. And let's go. What do you want to use for these actually shaker cards? As you can see, I used the offcuts. I used the offcuts from my puncher for punching some kind of designs. So the offcuts that remained in a puncher, I saved them and I keep them aside so I can use them for these purposes. Or you can actually deliberately punch your like flowers or butterflies or whatever to make your own stuff that you want to fill into these cards. So I have here multiple things. These are from the normal hole puncher. This is also from friend's wedding. She had it also punched through the hole puncher and she used it as a decoration on her wedding. This is also from another puncher, so I can just use some of these, or here I used the usual sequins, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, with some glitter dust or something. So whatever I had on hand, so I put it in there. So whatever you want. I am going to put first the glue. You can use I usually use tape, but it is then difficult when you are trying to attach them together. Then you can run into difficulties if you don't aim properly. Then you can you will not have them attached in line how they are supposed to be. It already happened to me multiple times. So that's the disadvantage of the tape. You can use bed glue, tack glue or something, but then you have to, then you can wiggle around, so you know if you make a mistake you can correct it, but then it was still a hassle for me that I was trying to reattach it and attach it, and still I was losing the filling from inside. It was going around, and also since I already made this envelope wet with the paint, as you can see it already wrinkled, so if I would add more glue it will probably get even more wrinkly. So for that reason I decided now to go for the tape, and let's hope for the best that I will have a good aim for this. I will first remove the tape, because I know that once you already put something in, it's much more difficult to remove the tape. You cannot move with it anymore because it will go all around and it will glue on the tape that is revealed. So my suggestion, first remove the tape. Now place it and start adding whatever you want to add in it. Well, if you compare, you see that I don't have any wrinkling on the side here because I didn't use any water-based paint. So here, if you use water-based or any, even acrylic, this was acrylic, but I had to dilute it with some water, of course. So then you see you will get this wrinkling on the side. I mean, you can leave it as this is, in a sense that you don't have to add on the sides these washi tape or anything on the sides. You can leave it plain. You can use distress hanging or something, but because I have like here a piece of envelope missing, I wanted to hide it with something. I don't want to color it, and also because it's very soft, you know, this washi tape will make it still a little bit harder, so it gives it a, you know, a little bit more strength, so you can move it if you have it in a journal up and down. So it gives it a little bit of strength. What you could do before you are gluing the pages together, that in between the pages, before gluing, you can add more paper to it to make it thicker. So that's what I was actually thinking to do with this, but I forgot. So I will add the tape now on the side. So I have here this tape, but first I want to cut the top. So as I said, I'm just cutting the corners to make it look like a tag, punching a hole, adding circles around the hole, and now the washi tape edges. I just eyeball the edges, so it can happen that there is like 1 millimeter, maybe even sometimes more, the difference on the edging, but I'm okay with that. It's not that obvious in a general view, I think. And I will add some ribbon on the top, and I will go through some embellishments, and eventually I will just add 2 flowers on one side and a butterfly on the other side. So here I added just some embellishment elements, a butterfly, and here, let me just see here. So a flower, the few flowers, and a butterfly, and a shaker tag is done. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.